If I looked at your Shopify monthly bill right now, I guarantee I could slash it by 30% without you losing even a single feature. Hi, I am Alicia. I run a specialized e-commerce agency here in Dubai, and I have spent the last decade building high-performance stores for seven-figure brands. One thing I tell every client is stop renting features you can own for free. Many of the apps you are paying $10, $20, or even $50 a month for a simple basic logic scripts. Things like tagging customers, hiding products, or sending alerts. Today I'm going to show you how to replace those apps using Shopify Flow. Now, before we dive into the dashboard, let me explain you what Shopify Flow is. Technically, it is a cloud-based automation platform built directly into Shopify servers or the Shopify admin panel. But functionality-wise, I would like you to think it as a brain of your online store. Most Shopify stores are very static; they just sit there, right? But when you turn on Flow, your store becomes more dynamic. It starts listening to events and making decisions on its own. Think of Flow like an invisible employee that works for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It never sleeps, it never even makes a mistake. It watches every single order, every customer, and every inventory change, and it reacts based on the rules that we have set to it. Now, why does this matter? Specifically, why does this matter if you're running a brand here in the UAE or selling into Saudi Arabia? We operate in different unique markets, right? The e-commerce competition in the GCC is very much exploding, and in 2026, combining automations with AI isn't just a nice to have, it is a way to scale without burning your cash. Let me give you three reasons why automation is a secret weapon for Middle East merchants. Number one is you can actually reduce the cost of your hiring. So the when you use automations and AI, you are essentially scaling your workforce without increasing your headcount. An automation that can handle your customer tagging or inventory hiding runs for free, right? It doesn't need a visa and it works on Fridays and even holidays. It is the ultimate efficiency hack for high cost business hubs that are running in the UAE. The second reason is if you are shipping to Riyadh or Jeddah or like anywhere in Saudi Arabia, you know the nightmare of cash on delivery issues. Return rates in Saudi Arabia can hit 30 to 40% if you aren't very careful. So we use Shopify Flow to build verification barriers. Imagine this: a customer in Riyadh places a cash on delivery order. The automation instantly triggers a WhatsApp message using AI asking them to confirm their location. If they don't reply, the system can automatically hold the fulfillment. This prevents you from shipping a package that will just get returned. That saves you thousands in shipping fees alone. Now, the third reason I can tell you is like the speed. That customers want in Dubai. Customers in this region are used to instant gratification, right? They want 1 hour delivery, they want instant answers. If a VIP client in Abu Dhabi asks a question at 2 a.m. and you wait till 9 a.m. in the morning to reply, you lose that client. With AI automations, your store interacts with them instantly, it tags them, it answers them, and it treats them like a royalty 24 by 7. So when we talk about Shopify Flow or any kind of automations like Shopify Flow, we aren't just talking about software. We are talking about building autonomous businesses that can compete with the giants like Amazon and Noon. Now, let me show you how to set these things up. In order to install the Shopify Flow app, you have to go to this apps over here on the Shopify admin panel and then click on this app called Flow. If you don't find it, you can just type in Flow and it will redirect you to this Shopify App Store where you can install the app called Shopify Flow. So this is where you will land once you install the Flow app. Now, today we will be adding mainly three automations or three workflows. First one is an inventory management workflow. So let's say for example you have a catalog of 100 plus products, and if a product sells out but the page remains still active, and a customer when clicks on that particular product, they will just get see the sold out button over there, because once the stock is zero, automatically The add to cart button gets changed to the sold out button, and that hurts your bounce rate and it weighs mainly your ad spend as well. Now in order to fix that, you can go to this Shopify Flow and you can check this browse templates over here. Here, when you come to the search, you can just type hide product, and then what will happen is a lot of predefined templates that has the hide product functionality will be coming. So here what we want is we want to choose this particular workflow where it will check if a single variant or all where product variants are out of stock at all location. In that case, hide the product from the online store when either a single variant or all variants are out of stock across all locations. Okay, so once you can choose this, and then you can see all the workflows how it is set up. If you need to add any condition, you can also add that. And once all the workflow you have verified and everything is good, what you can do is you can click on this install button, and this flow will automatically be installed in your store. And once a product becomes, after installing, you also need to enable this turn on button over here. Okay, and we have few errors that it is being asking. Okay, we have to choose from where we need to hide the product. So we need to choose this online store. Okay, because there will be various publications like POS system or your Google, Facebook, all those things. No, I have chosen online store, so it will be unpublished from the online store. After this error is fixed, you can just click on this turn on workflow button. Let's click on that. Now the workflow is turned on. Now automatically when a product is having quantity 0, it will be unpublished from your website. Now let's look at another workflow. The easiest way to scale your store isn't just finding new customers, right? It's getting your existing customers to buy again. But you cannot treat a customer who bought a product for 100 dirhams the same way as you treat a customer who bought maybe for 1000 dirhams. You need to identify your VIP customers to provide them with some loyalty, or some offers or anything like that. So for that case, let's create a workflow that can actually detect your VIP customers. For that, let's again go into this workflow of Shopify and click on this browse templates, and let's search the term called spent tier. Okay, so now you can see that the different workflows. One is called organize customers by their lifetime spend tiers, and also organize customers by their order count. So different types of workflows that you can find out here, and based on that you can set up a workflow that can identify your customer based on how much amount they have spent, and then add a tag to them. Okay, now here what you can do is, if you want to set up the amount, right, you can actually change those things over here. You can like maybe change the amount. For here, let's say it's given as 750 dirhams. You can actually change these values over here. If you just click on this particular if you click on this particular node, you can actually change the amount and then update your workflow based on that. Now let's move on to the third automation, which is very critical for your revenue. Consider the scenario where you are running ads and sales are coming in, life is good. Then suddenly your sales stops. You check your website and then you realize that your number one bestseller has been sold out for the last 48 hours. You didn't know this, and you lost the money and you wasted the ad spent sending people to a page where products are not available. Now, this you can fix by giving an inventory alert where you can actually set a workflow where you will be alerted when your inventory is getting low, because most of the stores that we run here, maybe a drop shipping store, or when you import your products from China or the US, your lead time may be like 2 or 3 weeks, right? If you wait until you hit zero to reorder, you are going to be out of stock for more than a month. So in order to not lose the momentum, we can actually set up a number of, when the product count becomes 20, maybe send us an alert. So this flow that you can set up in the Shopify Flow can help you to reorder your products. Now let's see how you can set it up. So go to the same browse templates over here, and then you can type inventory. See, this is a workflow that you need to set up. Get notified by email when product variant inventory is low. Just choose that. Then after that, install it. Now here in this condition, you can set up when you should be alerted, like at what point of time when the inventory count of that particular product becomes 20 or 30. What is that, the safe level that you want to get alerted when your stock is, so that you can get notified. So that you can set up over here, and then automatically it will send the email when the product count becomes that number. So store owners, all these are free, and now you just have to go and install and activate this workflow from your Shopify dashboard. But let me also tell you the reality. These are just the basics. When we work with our private clients at MAQ, we go much deeper. We build flows that connect Shopify to Google Sheets for reporting, to WhatsApp for customer service, and to Slack for team alerts. We build a fully autonomous business engine for our Shopify clients. So, if you are a Shopify store owner who would like to bring in more sales and who would like to do automations and AI workflows onto your business, please do get in touch with us. Our team will get in touch with you. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please give a like and also subscribe to our channel for more e-commerce contents. Thank you.